Arithmetic and Geometric Sequences Part 4. For the following geometric sequence, find a sixth. The nth term of a geometric sequence can be found by applying the formula a sub n equals a1 times r to the n minus 1 power. I want to find a sixth, which means the sixth term in the sequence. So my an is just going to be replaced by a sixth. Now I need to figure out my a1, which is the first term in the sequence, my r, which is the ratio or the number that I'm multiplying to the previous number to get the next number, and n is the position of the number I'm trying to find. So a1 is 2, n is 6, that's the position I'm trying to find, and then I need to find r, which is the common ratio. So to find r, you can take the second number in the sequence, which is 1/2, and divide it by the first number in the sequence, which is 2. Now remember, when we divide fractions, we keep the first fraction, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then flip the second fraction. So all whole numbers have a 1 underneath it, so when I flip it, I have 1/2. And then you just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. So my common ratio, or r, is 1/4. Now I'll plug these values in to my formula. So a6 is 2 times 1/4 to the 6 minus 1 power. First, you simplify the exponents. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, we're going to raise the 1/4 to the 5th power. I can apply the power rule, which just says I can apply the 5 to the 1 and the 4. So this is 1 to the 5th power over 4 to the 5th power. And 1 to the 5th power is 1. And 4 to the 5th power is 1024. Next, we'll just multiply the top and bottoms together. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then 1 times 1024 is just 1024. The top and bottom of this fraction are both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then 1024 divided by 2 is 512. My final answer, which represents the sixth term of the sequence, is 1 over 512.